Microsoft Excel has 5 depreciation functions. I use decline balance function to calculate depreciation of a car. Suppose I have purchased car, its price is $10,000. I have projected salvage value of car $3,000 at the end of its useful life. The life of car is 5 years. There are 5 periods in the life of a car. This is year number 1, this is year number 2, and so on. I will calculate the price of the car after the 5 years. In the cost box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In salvage box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In life box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In period box, select this cell reference, click OK. So after the year 1, the depreciation value of the car will be $2,140, and this value reduces the original cost of the car. At the end of 1 year, the price of the car will be $7,860. Paste the same formula in other cells. First, make the absolute position of cell references. Click in formula bar, press F4 key, press F4 key, press F4 key, press enter key. Again active this cell, press mouse and drag to right. So after the 5 year, the yearly depreciation value of the car will be $817, and the price of the car will be $3,000. This value is equal to the salvage value of the car.